everybody, it's Kelly and I am back with another layout. So this is a little layout about a golf date with my sweetie and I, and we went to Luxe Golf, which is kind of in my area. We had been at Top Golf a couple weeks before up in Minneapolis, and they have something very similar in my area called Luxe Golf, and so we decided to go there because I'm really wanting to golf this summer. Hopefully by the time you see these, I have been golfing. Actually, hopefully by the time you see these, I have some new clubs because mine are really old, and I've been golfing on a golf course. We go to driving ranges all the time. We decided to do Luxe Golf to kind of just work on swings for both of us and that kind of stuff. And the funny part is, in that photo on the top right, for the two first rounds, I was actually beating him, which that just absolutely would not happen at any other point. He was having a hard time controlling his swing with clubs that are not his and not knowing, where to hit the targets, and I got lucky. So anyway, so I mounted all the photos on that blue paper, that crosshatch paper. That is from Echo Park All Boy, the Swingless Sharks paper. And I'm using that because it's more plain than the paper behind it, the Argyle, and I absolutely love the Argyle. So even though there's two patterns, the pattern on the top paper, the photo mat, is smaller, and it's also tone on tone. So it looks like a faux solid paper. It's not really solid, but it looks like a faux solid. So it's not as in your face. I also think it really helps neutralize the Argyle paper behind it so that that's not so much to look at. I think you either need to do something like this or maybe cut off just a chunk of it and use it. Otherwise, your eyes could be insane. But I love it. I mean, I do definitely think of golf with Argyle patterns, most definitely. So that Argyle paper is from Photoplay. It's the MVP Golf Collection, and it's the 4 paper here. So then I got some stickers, some 3D stickers from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby, and it's the La Petite dimensional stickers, just the golf stickers. And I'm really liking the way that looks, with the golf ball and the golf title. So I'm dropping this down just a little bit more towards the bottom to give myself some room for the title, because I'm thinking that what I'm going to do is do Luxe above it so that the title is where we were, basically. By the way, I did not win in the end here. I just had those two different rounds, and I think the first round I think I scored just maybe just scored like, not, I didn't score many points in the first round, but I did score more. That's the bottom picture and kind of what we were doing, how we were playing. And okay, so on top now I'm going to put the word Luxe, and those I did not write down what that is. So that is a Puffy Alpha from American Crafts foam stickers, and it's from one of the old Paige Evans collections. You won't be able to get these. I don't think they're available anymore, but that's where these are from, just in case you're wondering. And I love them. They're a perfect size, and they're navy, and they're a true navy. So I did think about adding in like that strip there, and decided I didn't need any more pattern, that I had plenty. It's not always more with me, although quite often is more. All right, so then I like that sticker there from the Photoplay MVP Golf Element stickers, and it says driving range. So I really need to get this on here because basically this is a driving range that we're at. And then from that Hobby Lobby sticker sheet, or the Paper Studio sticker sheet, I found that set of golf shoes, which works with this really, really well. And then I'm kind of playing because I like that tea time sticker. I needed like a third element there. So I added that in, and then that gets some of the green back in. And I'm not covering up anything important. It's on the photo, but it's nothing important. And for me, I have all of these photos, the originals, saved in multiple locations. So if I would ever have to reprint, which I did when a layout was damaged at one point, I did years ago, I had to reprint. So it is nice to have them. So I do want to do at least a little bit of journaling here. So I'm looking at my LA Studio label stickers here. And I'm just going to add this one in and tuck it in there below the driving range sticker and below the golf shoes there. Kind of let the golf shoes overlap that. So I'm going to play a little bit here to get that straight. All right, I think I got that straight. Okay, yes, it is straight. So then I'm thinking I want a little bit more embellishment in this. There's not really that much there, although frankly that Argyle paper is so busy I didn't need a lot. I did think about using one of the blue circle label stickers and putting it on the right side underneath that tea time. I did not. Instead, I decided to use another one of these little Ellie Studio label stickers in the green, and then thinking about adding these T's right here. And then instead, I really like the golf ball better up on the T's, so I'm going to add that in there. And since the T's are off and I have them, I'll put those down here in this cluster. And I'll just add, or I think there is, I'm going to say, yeah, I don't remember if I might have added foam tape behind theirs. Otherwise, they come with it. I don't remember which of the two is right. All right, there is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.